What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Dr. Car channel. Today what I'm going to do is replace the tag light bulb on this 2011 Toyota Camry. It will also apply for the vehicles ranging from 2006 all the way through to 2011. So please consider subscribing to my channel, as I do post a lot of car DIY videos, including how to fix your own car and how to polish your own car. Now, as you can see, this side works, that side doesn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace two of the tag light bulbs. You always want to do two together. Now, these are the ones that I have bought. They are the automotive globe. They are the 3 watts, but usually you need 5 watts. 3 watts would work as well. It's the wedge type as well. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is you've got some boot clips here. These are plastic clips going into the boot, so you need to actually take them off. Now, this type are 2-pin clips. So my little trick, well, I know this is not very good practice, is to actually push down and pull it out like so. And there you go, it had just popped out. So there's one more clip here. All you got to do is just pull it down, and there you go, the clip is undone, and it's not broken, it is just undoing the clip. And one more here, done. Okay, so now in the back of the boot, this is your reverse light socket here, and what you need to do is you need to pull off the socket like so. You pinch the socket and then you pull it off like that. You should see a pinch bulb. Now you want to go anti-clockwise like so, and then until it comes out. Now you've got your bulb, which is in here. Alright guys, so there you go, that's the bulb, and all you need to do is wear rubber gloves or latex gloves, and then what you need to do is pull that one right out like so. Now these are the new automotive globes that I bought. Alright, so the first one just goes in this slot right here like so. That's the slot it goes into, and clip until you hear clip. Now what you need to do is, the hole is right here. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to find the clip, which is here. These are the grooves, and you'll need to make sure that the grooves line up like so, and then twist clockwise. So that's done. Now what you need to do is you need to plug the cable back in like so. So that is your registration tag light bulb done. So now I'm going to do the other one as well. You're going to push it out counterclockwise. Now I'm not going to remove this cabling for this one because I've already showed you how that is. So what you're going to do is we're going to pull it out, and then we're going to plug it back in here like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find the groove. We're going to find the groove again, and then we're going to push it clockwise. There you go, you're now done. Both these lights are actually working now like so and like so. As you can see, it's quite tidy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the clips back. So starting with this, I'm going to push the clip back in. You see, it's not broken, you just need to push it back in until it straps back in place. And then the next one is here, and then the following one is here, and then the other one is here. Alright, so that's all strapped back into place, and that's how you replace the tag light on your Toyota Camry 2006 through 2011. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I have got a lot of useful car videos, and make sure to subscribe, like and comment if you'd like. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.